This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a backbone controller. Many players find that using a physical controller significantly enhances their gaming experience, offering greater precision and comfort. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your backbone controller connected and ready for action. You'll learn how to customize your in-game settings to perfectly match your playstyle, ensuring you're fully prepared to dominate the battlefield. Get ready to elevate your PUBG Mobile gameplay to a whole new level. First things first, let's get your backbone controller connected. Simply attach your mobile device securely into the backbone controller. You should feel a satisfying click, indicating a proper connection. Your phone will usually recognize the controller automatically. Once connected, go ahead and launch the PUBG Mobile application. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be ready to dive into the game in just a few moments. This initial step is crucial for a seamless gaming session. Now that your controller is connected, let's fine-tune your in-game controls. Head over to the Settings menu within PUBG Mobile, then navigate to the Controls section. Here, you'll find options to customize your layout. Take your time to map each action, like shooting, aiming, and movement, to your preferred buttons on the backbone controller. Don't forget to save your custom layout once you're happy with it. This personalized setup will make a huge difference in your performance. To truly master PUBG Mobile with your backbone controller, practice is key. Spend some time in the training grounds to get accustomed to your new setup and build muscle memory. Experiment with different sensitivity settings until you find what feels most natural for your aiming and movement. The precision offered by a controller can give you a significant edge in combat, so leverage it. Remember to communicate effectively with your squad. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a top player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.